Whether it's your first flight or your 100th flight, everyone experiences pre-flight jitters. Maybe you're anxious and excited, or maybe you're nervous. Either way, here are 5 tips to help you with your first flight. Tip number 1, relax. I know this is easier said than done, but if you get your mind off of the fact that you're flying, you'll enjoy the flight a whole lot more. Try to enjoy the views or start up a conversation with someone nearby. Even try to sleep if you're tired. Either way, you'll enjoy your flight a lot more if your mind isn't on the fact that you're flying. Tip number 2, use the bathroom at the airport. If you go before getting on the plane, you won't have to worry about going soon after takeoff. If you go before refreshments are served, you might be able to avoid the long lines on the flight. And go 30 minutes before landing to save yourself time at the airport. Tip number 3, bring entertainment. This can be books, movies, a tablet, anything to entertain you while you're up in the air. Now, a lot of flights will offer movies, but it just depends. You don't want to be left bored on a long flight. Tip number 4, be nice to the cabin crew. Compliment them. They're people too. It's the right thing to do, and it might also result in an extra refreshment or two. And tip number 5, our last tip, which seasoned travelers will definitely know about, is chewing gum shortly after takeoff to avoid your ears popping. This is pretty common, and it's nothing unusual on a flight, but if you don't enjoy the sensation of having your ears pop or your ears feel stuffy, definitely take a piece of chewing gum and chew it while you're in the air. These are 5 tips to help you with your first flight. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys on your next adventure.